Xiaomi just dropped a major surprise, and no, it didn't come with a flashy launch event. The Xiaomi TV Stick 4K second generation is now official, silently listed on their global site. But this quiet reveal packs some seriously loud upgrades. Let's break down why this might be Xiaomi's best streaming stick yet. First up, the biggest headline: Google TV is finally here. This is Xiaomi's first ever TV stick to ditch Android TV with patch wall in favor of Google's slicker, more intelligent OS. Expect personalized recommendations, unified search across your apps, and even free live channels right on your home screen. The interface is cleaner, smarter, and fully loaded. Over 10,000 apps? Check. A massive catalog of free live channels? Check. And yes, there's built-in Google Assistant with a dedicated button on the remote, so you can find your next show with just your voice. Speaking of the remote, it's Bluetooth enabled with 360-degree control, meaning you can point it anywhere and still command your TV. Handy for those late-night binge sessions under the covers. Under the hood, Xiaomi is packing a serious punch. A quad-core Cortex-A55 processor teams up with an ARM G31 MP2 GPU, delivering up to 80% faster CPU performance and 150% better graphics than the last-gen model. With 2 GB of RAM and 8 GB of storage, it's built for smooth streaming, not laggy loading screens. Visually, it doesn't disappoint. You're getting crisp 4K resolution with Dolby Vision and HDR10+, perfect for that high-contrast cinematic experience. And audio, DTS HD and Dolby Atmos support bring the theater home. Out of the box, you've got access to Netflix, Prime Video, YouTube, and more. Plus, Xiaomi TV Plus adds a whole lineup of free live TV, from news to reality shows, without needing a separate subscription. Connectivity gets an upgrade too, with Wi-Fi 6 for faster streaming, Bluetooth 5.2, and the usual HDMI and micro USB ports, all packed into a tiny, travel-friendly stick that weighs just 44 grams. Xiaomi hasn't announced pricing or launch details for India or other regions just yet, but if the first gen launched at 4,999 rupees, we're expecting this one to land somewhere nearby and likely soon. If you're looking for a compact streaming upgrade with powerful specs and smart features, the Xiaomi TV Stick 4K second generation is shaping up to be a solid contender. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more smart tech updates, and hit that bell so you don't miss what's next.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely